all skinny, like flat, like skinny, like flat, like that. And then it got like, so then the lady put, there was a tag on it, so then she put my name on it, because I spelled it for her. Then she blew it up with the fluff and stuff, and then I got a heart, and I pressed it, and I heard it. Then she sewed it up the back, because that's how they got a fluff in. So they sewed the back up, and then when I pressed the button, you hear the heart, and then I washed it. It was like a bathtub, but it wasn't really water. It was like a fake thing. And then I went to get some clothes for it.
60s.
I got this, I got this, I got this, and I got this. And I got some shoes, but they're downstairs. And then, when I was all done, I went to the lady, and she got a house for me. And then Case got a tent for his bear, and then me and the bear got a house too. And then we went back. Then we went back home.